Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and I've got a new addition to SY Sublime today. Finally, after 8 months of waiting, I got the Reactor 40 hydraulic core pack with smart pump and GHC 50. Comes in 2 boxes. I wish the packaging was a little bit prettier. This is the, I guess this is the smart pump in here. Yeah, I wish the packaging was a little bit prettier like the other ones I get. But anyway, this is an unboxing and for this pump package. So let's get into it. Okay, we've got both boxes open, and we'll start digging into the big one first, which is, this might use 2 hands. Let's start digging into the little one. Okay, we've got instructions, and let's put this big box down on the thing for now. Put that over here. Instructions. The Reactor 40 shadow drive. The buzzer, GHB buzzer. Power cable and NEMA 2000 accessories. This is the cable for the just one of the cables, I guess. It's green on the end, so it's plug and play, you know. This is another power cable. This is the ECU power cable. This is an ECU here we go. Here it is. ECU cable. ECU to CCU cable. Okay. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. This is the Reactor 40 CCU. And this is the GHC 50 controller. I went for the GHC 50 to the GHC 20. I wish this came in pretty packaging like this. It's just, I like this better. It's just pretty. But anyway, that's that box open. Let's open the other one. Oh shit. Oh, so no, hold on. So anyway, we've got the packaging, just a quick rundown. We've got the instructions, the buzzer, the ECU to CCU cable, the shadow drive, assorted power cables and NEMA 2000 connectors, the ECU power cable, the Reactor 40 CCU, the GHC shadow drive, the GHC 50 thing controller, and the V2 smart pump. So now we're going to break it out of its packaging so you can have a look at it. So far we have the Reactor 40 shadow drive, which is right here. We have a couple of T-bone fittings and some extra terminals, power cable, NEMA 2000 cable, the CCU, the ECU cable, the ECU to CCU adapt cable. We have the buzzer, we have the instructions, we have some mounting hardware for the pump, and this is the smart pump that we have here. Smart pumps here, and then we'll look at the end where we connect everything up. So we have the power cable here, the CCU in, which is the purple cord, which is this one here, and then this is the green one that goes to this one here, so it's color coded. And then we have this is for a rudder feedback, if I want to put a rudder feedback on at a later stage, which I might do, I might not do, I don't know. But that's the pump. Electrically wise, it's pretty simple to hook up. My issue is I just have to figure out my hydraulics. So we have inputs here, in here, and we have some inputs here as well. And then we have another one on the other side. I guess that doesn't come with the hydraulic hoses, so I guess I have to have those made up. So there's some outputs here too. So I thought it came with hydraulic hoses, but I guess not. I don't know what that's for. So that's the V2 smart pump. So now we're just going to move this out of the way, and I'll unbox the GHC50. So unboxing the GHC50, we have the unit itself right here. We have some cables, trim plates, mounting instructions, and mounting plate template and instructions. So let's get that laid out. So this is the GHC50 unbox. We have the unit itself right here, and on the back we have the NEMA 2000 input, and then we have a network input. I think if you're going to be running that new network they use, BlueNet or whatever it's called. I do have a network, a couple in my boat, but I don't know if I'm going to run that. It comes with the cover, face cover, and these are the fascia plates that go on the top. And this is a network cable, but this unfortunately is too short for where I'm mounting this. I'm going to have to get a longer one. This is the NEMA 2000 cable, which I have plenty of these. And then this is another NEMA 2000 cable. And we have another T-bone connector. And then we have assorted mounting screws and etc. to mount the unit. I'm going to be mounting it on my nav pod, which I have outside, which is in another video. And then I've got some other things to mount on there as well. So this is the complete Garmin Reactor 40 with V2 smart pump and GHC50. This is what you get in the boxes. Everything's here, and it's getting ready to get put in. I just have to put it in, then I have to measure for my hydraulic hoses and have them made up. This is the CCU, which I'm thinking I'm probably going to mount the CCU in there. Just hope the cable's long enough to reach all the way back there, which I don't think it will be, but we'll see. It's just the forward V-berth of my boat is the only area where I don't have any metal. Back here there's a lot of metal, like the engine and stuff. I have a lot of metal back here, so it's going to interfere with it. So yes, that's my autopilot. So this is SY Sublime, fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas. More about that next time.